Discover the timeless wisdom of Ayurveda, a holistic path to well-being rooted in ancient traditions. Today, we explore a simple yet powerful remedy using pure cow's milk, fresh curd, golden honey, and natural mishri. Each ingredient, carefully chosen, contributes to a balanced and nourishing blend for your daily health. Begin by pouring chilled cow's milk into a glass, a foundation of purity and strength. Then gently add 1 teaspoon of fresh curd and 2 teaspoons of natural mishri for a touch of sweetness. Stir the mixture slowly, allowing the ingredients to blend into a creamy, harmonious texture. For an alternative, combine 1 cup of milk with 2 teaspoons of curd and a single teaspoon of pure honey. Mix these natural elements smoothly, creating another beneficial blend tailored to your preference. Observe the rich, inviting texture, a testament to nature's simple yet profound healing power. Embrace tranquility as you consume this remedy. A healthy Indian man sits calmly, drinking the prepared mixture. This traditional Ayurvedic practice promotes well-being, fostering a positive and natural vibe for your day. For optimal benefits, take this remedy twice daily, in the morning and evening, and remember to avoid eating for 2 hours after consumption. Always consult a doctor for medical advice.